Guys, on market speculations, going to be seeing this article. It says, can BTC maintain its bullish run and break 50k? So this article was done some time ago. Going to be checking some major levels here. So February 21 was a major breakthrough for BTC 50k. After 50k steady pullback, BTC passed this $4,000 mark in April 2021. So the dip in BTCs and price continued between July 2021. So one Bitcoin was priced at $29,000 and more. So many crypto analysts have speculated that if BTC breaks $47,000 level, as it did a few days ago, maintains its price for a period, $50,000 can be a reality. So these are some of the pegs as regards BTC in general and its bullish momentum. So even a small movement from these giant investors causes a price effect in BTC. Say longer hold by major investors is key to BTC reaching 50k. So you want to note that. We have another great adoption example here in South Korea. The country is taking major steps towards regulating cryptocurrencies in its financial systems. However, the Korean nation also wants to regulate the price, which goes against the whole concept of decentralization. So BTC's institutional acceptance is increasing. So those are some of the perks to look at. We have Elon Musk, Twitter, and Tesla in general should be accepting BTC, let's say in the long run in 2022. Though he wants BTC to be more environmental friendly. They also have high levels of greed index. So the greed factor on the crypto and fear index, we have in July the index stood at 19, now it's over in 70. Polar opposite of extreme fear, BTC managed to break the barrier. The knee-jerk reaction, number one market cryptocurrency capitalization, $64,000. The sharp dip, however, can slightly disturb the crypto fear and greed index. So these are some pegs. Even the effect of BTC whales. So BTC bullish run needs to resume. So over the last few decades, BTC has enjoyed a bullish run, which needs to go. So BTC to the moon. So we have BTC at this value as of when this article was done. So guys, that's it. If you buy keys, stay tuned for more. You can be able to grab some few concepts about what to look in for towards uh, the bullish nature of these cryptocurrencies. So you want to understand that it's usually based on influencer effects, effects from big wheel holders, as well as market trends, crypto adoption by several agencies and institutions, as well as other government regulations and more, and as well as looking at the legal tender nature. If more countries become acquainted to making BTC legal tender, it should tend to boost the crypto market in a good way. So guys, that's all. Feel free to subscribe if you buy a case. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.